Hey, what's up guys, this is Vishnu Nagala and today let us dismantle this LAVA R1s, this cameraless smartphone, and with the help of this Amazon Basic 17-bit screwdriver. And today we have some tangles, which is this one. Well, I'm using this because there's no pick tool which is provided in this box, so this is just a SIM card tray. It's handy and like it's gonna be available somewhere in your home, so it will. And this is one of the best, so I use it quite a bit to open the device, and yeah, you will see how you can use this so too. And in the place of this, you can also use a very old or expired credit card. So let's get started. So this device have a removable back, so this is a metal back and plastic frame or such at the borders, and SIM card and micro SD card. And for this, slide it up, and what you're going to choose is this one, and you can have this one which is, it says yep, yeah, now it's visible. It's PH000 and it's a star one, I mean plus sign. Just right ahead over here, it's gonna be available over here. It's PH000, or you can also use PH00, which is the very next one. Yep. It's PH00. You can also use this one, and yeah. Now, well, I was using to remove screws like this, as like this, but then lately, afterwards I realized that I'm going to use like this, so let's get started. And there's a magnet tip. I mean, the tip isn't magnet, there's a magnet inside of it, so it magnetizes this bit, and that's how we're gonna use. So I just want to place screws over here. Yeah. And in total there are 13 screws, so let's quickly do this. And well, we have just unlocked the locks of this thing, and the only remaining thing is to open the door, so let's do that also. Well, this bit was broken earlier, and I have a crack over here too. And this is a charging PCB, and you got a it's a vibrating module, and make sure when you open this thing, you want to remove your SD card from over here, otherwise it won't come. It won't pop out from its box. And with this thing, you can easily open it up. Go to the other side. And be careful over here. We got a fiber cable, so careful if you're using anything like metal opener. So make sure you are very careful over there. Yes. since well, this is the back and the motherboard of this device, and there's a battery, there's a non-removable battery, and there's a charging module, and yeah, and this is a connector for the front display, and this for the battery, and this for the buttons over here. And well, this is a board-to-board connector, this is known as BTB, and using this, the small one, we can remove the locks and be careful. Yes, and this is a 2620 I think it's, yeah, 2620 milliamp hour battery. This is a battery, and give it aside, and as you can see, this cable goes below this frame, and we got another B2B connector beneath this one, beneath this, and over here too. And over here we got one and two screws over here. So let's unscrew them. Let me keep them aside. And for these screws also you can use the same thing, the PH000. The small screws, so be careful. And again, we gotta remove this one. Same thing. Then open this clip up, and well, I don't have tweezers, so I'm using this one. It says CRV 2.2. CRV 2.0. This is a straight one. So I'm using this. Let me replace this and be very gentle and careful over here, and slowly remove this. Yes, it's out, and yeah, we're done. And where beneath over here we got a adhesive tape and some glue sort of thing, so be careful, otherwise if you hurry up you may broke the PCB. Over here it's something like clip or something, so be careful. I just want to lift it over here a bit, and again be careful. Yes, pop it up, and as you can see, there's a B2B connector and this silicone tape. Well, this heat dissipation, well, heat distribution, sorry, uniform heat distribution, where in this place, like in computer motherboards, I mean processor, on the processor and a graphic processing unit, there going to be a thermal paste, and you can replace the thermal paste with silicone sort of this thing, and they will both work pretty well, and well, they do have some pros and cons, so here we got some silicone tape. So, and this is the antenna cable. This is the main board. As you can see, it's MB main board. This is, and this is a sub board. And you can also remove these things. And be very careful with the antenna wire. Yeah. And this is a PCB of the device. I mean, main board, or you can also call it as motherboard. And yeah, that's it. There's a micro USB port over here, and this is how you can dismantle. Like, let me also show you how to remove that. Getting back to the same bit again, PH00, and this is screw. Current. So I think there's no screw over here. Okay, let me gently open it up. Yes. And this is a subboard. You can see the vibrator, and this is a microphone, and the PTV connector. It's a port to port connector and slot, and it's all grounding. And as you can see over here, it's sub SUB, and these are the parts which are available in this one. So they're inside this LAVA R1s. Well, let me flip this one, and this is nothing but the frame, including the screen and the topmost glass. That's it. And there's a microphone over here. I mean, a speaker. Actually, this is a speaker over here. Well, if it's R1, you're gonna get a camera over here, I think. Yeah, somewhat over here you're gonna get a camera setup, what I think over here. Let me, yeah, as you can see, the connections for the camera over here, I mean, it's gonna be at the right side over here, and for back camera it's gonna be, yeah, as you can see, there's a connector over here. Well, this is a cameraless phone. You can't, there is no holes, so there's no camera module, and there are no camera drivers, so that this can run those cameras. So, and these are the parts, and this is a tray in which the battery sits, and there's adhesive in it. Well, the main problem of this device not working, I mean, this device is not working, but each and every part is fine. The only problem is with the battery. So in next video I'm gonna be like charging this battery. So now I'm gonna show you how to again rearrange them. So let's start that. Well, first let me go with the board, this sub connected. Yeah, it's done, and slow, yeah, it's done. And why you can only see a thing, I would think in some devices there were two cables like this thing, and I think one is for SIM card signal antenna cable, and other one is for, like, what do we say, GPS. So well, this device do not have any GPS, so That's the reason why I think we can only have a look at a single one, not two of them. And let's go with the main board. Let's do the same. And you can place them with hand. Well, I don't have any tweezers, so the same thing with hands for this antenna cable. If you got any tweezers, you're going to be using them for this thing. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. And be careful that yeah, it's done. And be careful with this thing, so that just move it a bit. And it's not sitting. Yeah, now I did. And let me insert this one and plug it in. And next, this thing, the display. And before doing that, let me just quickly unscrew the screws for the board. And yeah, I've removed each and every screw, and you're confused that there's so many holes in this. So what you gonna do? Well, the smaller ones is the one you should do first. I mean, unscrew them. As you can compare these two circles, this is the smaller one, this is the bigger one. So first you're gonna unscrew this one, and in next stage you're gonna unscrew this one, this dot. As you can see, these two are small, so let's unscrew them. Done. They're intact, and let me arrange this one. Good, everything is fine. And first, not only this one, but when you are opening any electronic device which relies on battery for its power, make sure it might be a laptop or a mobile. First, make sure that you will be removing this one, the main power connection, so that there's nothing like hazardous, like uh, like uh, getting a shock or something like that. And we are done. Well, I lost some screws, I think so. Well, you will be unscrewing a whole, I mean, a screw over here and here at these two positions, and a screw over here. I don't know where they're gone, and they're just gone. So after doing that, place the case, I mean the back one. Let's close the doors. Well, it pops up. Yeah, now it's sat in place, in position, and yeah, they're pretty good. Now with this, and you should hear the clicking sound each and every time, and seems to be okay. And the last bit, well, this one is broken, so your device might not be broken, so you can just remove this in one piece. I have 3 pieces over here. You can remove it in one single piece. Let's unscrew. I just got a thought of making a series, like a playlist of reviving this device. So, and this will be the first video, and second video will be soon. So, I think my second video will be on charging the battery. Well, this is this battery was without any charge for approx of 5 to 6 months. So I think of like this battery from positive it went into negative, so and that's the reason why it's not getting a charge. So I mean it won't get any charge with a normal regular charger, so you should boost charge it. Well, you gotta get another device like a charge booster. Well, I just want to make it a bit easier and get out of the way, so you'll be watching that in the second video. So let us go diagonally. And the phone is ready, and it took me exactly up to 25 minutes to dismantle, I mean rip it off and again insert each and everything. So that's all guys, is all about dismantling and again reassembling this device. So like the video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. I hope that you all are safe and secured in your houses during this COVID pandemic, and see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.